Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back to another video. Today I have with me Chanel, one of my cousins. You can go over to her YouTube channel, Life with Shani, or SHAXNII. You can type that in the search bar and find me. Go subscribe now. Head over to her channel and subscribe. And we're here with my another cousin, Rochelle.
Yes, just Rochelle.
She doesn't have any social.
No, but you can go on Consiverse.
Right. You guys can go over to Consiverse. I'll tag them down below and go over there and subscribe to their
Watch your movies.
Yeah. So today we are at Master Max Supermarket. We are doing a $1,000 challenge. We are going to go into the supermarket, try to get some stuff for $1,000. It can't be over $1,000. It either has to be under or at the $1,000 mark. We will be doing this challenge within 2 minutes. You have to make it to the cash register at the 2 minutes mark. If you don't make it there, you are automatically disqualified. So let's get into this video. Where am I going? Me not no glasses even see where me I go. Cheese and peel. First of all, where am I going? Low sweet to them again? No glasses even see where me I go. I say, low sweetie. I wait sweet today. Me not even me take my time and me have. When you give me 2 minutes? Right now. I'm trying to look for my sunglasses. So I'm pick up this. How much is it? Snack aisle. So let's see what can we get in here. Alright. They know me I go buy. Me I go buy for myself. Me I go buy for me. I go buy for my baby them. Cheese and steam. Alright. So how much for them Oreo here? $57. So $157 for 3 of them. Alright, that's snacks. Get them 2 tongue. Get 1 tongue, yeah? I didn't show them. 2 stickers. What do you think? What do you choose? $370 for 1 juice. Cool kids, no, we don't get that. Rough chef. Watch out, I was to find them things. Oi. Ay. We're not videoing nobody. Why, I can't take them people yet. I'm going to take 2 of these. So, 1 of that. Sorry. 1 of that. I wait, cashier there, Jesus. Ain't no them line here long. Which one? Line long. What? You're late. Nobody you're late. They literally only pick up 2 things. I'm gonna pick up nothing else. And you know where everybody's staring at us, and then the security is like, "Oh, it's a video store." Oh, let me get some. Yeah, man, you go ahead, mommy. I got you. Yeah, man. The security is like, "Oh, it's a video store. Like, we're not recording nobody else. We're not worried about nobody else. It's our stuff we're recording. So the problem. I never get them the sweet when Mr. Medaga get them cause sweet to me. Can't give them. You understand? Diabetes.
What?
You understand me? Yeah, but we get them 2 tongue. Ask them, what am I gonna mix it? Not my business. I'm gonna find a way to mix it down. Right. So there, give them 2 apple and 1 just want to say 1 more today. And 3 tigers. Good job to me though. Right. Guys, the lines are long. It's very long. Very long. So we are here in the line. Wait. So all the way there, line them wait. Line them long, come all the way to the back of the store. My gosh. Guys, the lines are long. Yeah, mommy. Line them long. Should I go over? I won't be surprised if she goes over. Me? Out of the tray, we will feel like me way under. Me way under. Me no reach nowhere near Uno.
Bless it, Lord. Bless it.
No, somebody under $1,000. Why? The 2 minutes they didn't move fast still. The 2 minutes there? Yeah, it is. Yep. Because she now use the front camera, she use the back. The 2 minutes they run out quick. Wait, that's Russia's zone.
Yes, my love. Yeah, what do you mean? But I don't know, buy it fast. One time for you, one time for
Me not drink that.
one thing.
$65. Here you go. Huh? No, ma'am. So far,
This is just mine, don't include her, okay? Oh, wait. Oh. No. Okay, I'm gonna do too bad.
you think may reach $1,000, ma? You think this come up to $1,000? More than that? Less? Okay. Should say less. Everything is here. We could have picked up more things. We did very good. Guys, we have come to the end of the video. Who won?
Me.
Rochelle won because Rochelle was 370 something. I was 380.
Who reached to the closest?
And she got it, man.
Oh
And
yeah.
Chanel get 400.
Oh yeah.
To the closest.
So Chanel
So, I
reached the
mean,
closest. So Chanel won.
Ask Chanel what should I do with the pepper sauce. Tell her give me that, please.
So guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy.
Don't do
be
that.
stingy.
We are.
Alright?
Don't do that.
Please remember to tune into the other videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.